Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here to tell you a little bit about these sneakers that I purchased about 2 months ago. They are Adidas. They are the Gazelle Adidas women's sneakers. So, sorry, they're like a little dirty at the bottom. I purchased these because I'm really not a big sneaker person. I was looking for something. So I do liquor promotions for work, and sometimes we have to do these golf outings, and I'm more of like a sandals in the summer type of girl, and then I really just wear sneakers if I'm going to go to the gym or for a walk or whatever. In the winter I usually just do boots, but I decided that I just wanted to get a pretty neutral looking sneaker that was going to look stylish and cute and also be on the comfortable side. So I really only wore these a couple times, but like I feel like they're a little dirty here. I gotta clean them. That's just from working golf outings, and sometimes you're in the dirt, and if it rained the night before they get a little dirty. So yeah, so I purchased these. I remember like looking at the photo and thinking that it looked different. Like there's so much bling on here, like it's so metallic looking, which I really wasn't expecting. I kind of just thought they would be like a little bit, it looked in the photo when I purchased them online that like it just looked different, like it wasn't as many of these like bling diamond things going on, but it's okay. They're really cute. I did receive a lot of compliments on them the couple times that I wore them. Like people were just like, oh, those are so cute, I love those. And they're perfect just to wear with jeans, or just to because they're very like neutral looking, like they're cute but like nothing fancy. So I just thought that they were perfect to just kind of look cute with like an outfit with jeans and a cute top, or and in my case, I had to wear like this little black golf dress, and they matched perfectly with that. So Adidas, I really like the brands. They are made of synthetic and leather. I'm not a huge fan of wearing leather because I don't really like wearing any animal products, but sometimes it's just hard to avoid. I know that there's so many different things on the market these days, but I really love the brand Adidas, and unfortunately they do use a little bit leather. So in that aspect, I really don't care to wear leather, but I guess I kind of made a little bit of an exception when I bought these. These are the Gazelle sneakers. I believe it's a 1966 cult classic, so this is like a modern take on them, which I thought was pretty cool. They're like a little hard. They're like breathable in the top, so that they're like comfortable like in the top wise. I'm a size 8, and I feel like they're a little bit big on me. I mean, I only wore them a couple times, so they might not be like fully broken in, but I definitely feel like they're a little bit big on me. I'm true to a size 8. All my shoes are always an 8, whether it's heels, sneakers, whatever the case is, but I think that I actually would have been okay with a 7.5. I just honestly didn't feel like having to ship these back and then like wait for an 8 or a 7.5 rather to come in the mail. So I'm like, you know what, let me just stick with them. They're not, they're big, but they're not like crazy big. They're still comfortable. As far as like comfortability with wearing these, like I said, like the top is super breathable, so that's great. They're a little like, I don't know how to explain it. They're kind of like hard. They feel hard. Like they're not like the typical sneakers I would wear to go like for a run or to the gym. So they are like on the hard side. So I wouldn't say they're the most comfortable sneakers in the world. I just think that they're more cute than comfortable. I guess like all the Adidas tags are like this. The tongue of the shoe, it's just kind of like, it's like that hard material. So I would prefer a softer tongue. I do think these are really, really cute, and I always do get compliments on them. So I really do like them in that aspect. If I do buy sneakers like this, I do try to stick with Adidas. They're like a well-known established brand. I feel like everyone in all different countries all over the world knows Adidas, and I just think they're a great brand. Like, I'm sure these sneakers will last a long time. I do have to keep better care of them and just, maybe clean this if I can. Of course, it's white, so anything white is like impossible to take care of, especially if you're me. Anything I own that's white, whether it's like a dress or my carpet, it's so hard to keep anything white clean. These are just like so perfect. I wouldn't like buy these. I definitely wouldn't buy these, like I said, to like go work out at the gym. Definitely not. Not even for running. But if you're just looking for a sneaker that's, you know, you want to like look cute and just, you know, look very casual, then I would definitely go for these. Of course, they have other styles. They have other like just plain solid color ones. So they, you know, they have other ones that don't have this like kind of metallic, and I think I saw like another one that was all black with a little bit like a little less metallic. I think the metallic was just here. Those were also very cute. But overall, I mean, I'm really happy with them because I really like the way that they look. But if you're getting shoes for comfortability, these might not be your best bet. They're also, like I said, like several times, they're like pretty breathable up here. Since it is like a heavier material, if it's a hot day, your feet are gonna get hot. It can be a little uncomfortable. Like when I was in the golf outing, I was outside the entire time, so they did get, you know, my feet did get a little bit hot. It was like a 90 something degree day straight in the heat. So, you know, if you're looking for something that you want to wear in the heat, maybe I'd get something a little bit lighter, but I definitely recommend Adidas brand. And I love the Gazelle shoe. I just think it's so cute, and it's such a modern take on, you know, the original shoes that they created in the 60s. Adidas is just such a wonderful brand, and you know, I really do like them. It's the inseam, if you could see. So you can see it's the brand with the 3 stripes. Definitely, you have to wear sneakers. I'm sorry, you have to wear socks with these, of course. You know, I just wear like my little ankle socks. I never wear like big socks. They would just look funny with this. The laces are nice. Comes with black laces. Just overall, really a cute shoe, a cute sneaker. If you want to like look cute but also be casual, definitely go for these. So, and of course, these are a women's size 8. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and I hope maybe you guys will try the sneakers out. Have a great day.